So welcome back. Today's gonna be a fun one. It's something that I do with every car because I just can't handle a car that doesn't have any decent audio in it. So I'm gonna show you what I got. So to start things off, we got a Pioneer head unit that's with Bluetooth, USB and everything. Then we got some random Bass Habit 10cm speakers, and we got a Edge subwoofer, active subwoofer then, and I'm gonna be installing it, so stay tuned. So to start off, we're gonna be installing the speakers. They go right here. It's usually like a 12 centimeter one, but we got the 10 centimeters because it's either 10 or 13, unless you wanna like custom order. So first things we gotta do is remove this little trim. There's a few screws under here, and then we can take the cover off. So for the head unit, I just took this trim off, removed the one screw from here, for me at least. There might be a few more, and I don't even need to disconnect these right now. I just need to take these two screws off. One here and one here. So once we have the screws from here out, we can just go ahead and pull the head unit back a little bit so we can see what's going on here, and disconnect all the cables. I'm gonna try to hold you guys as I do this. Okay, one game disconnected already. Let's see. So a lot of things happened because I got carried away a little bit. So I got the positive here, brought it to the firewall, all the way across the underside of the car, into the back seat and into here. I ran the RCAs too. I just need to run the remote now, and then the subwoofer side of things is finished. I still need to fasten one here and then do the other side, but the head unit, it's a mess. I tried two of these, trying to find out which wire is which, because this is just a mess. It's just a mess here. Like, they just ran the like wires however they wanted, but I think I finally got it figured out. I just need to get a new fuse later on today, and after that I think we can finally give it a shot. I'll just run this through there right now, and then we should be all finished, I think. So the time has come. We have the radio installed. It works fine. I just tested it. We have the speakers inside here, and this is just temporary for now because I don't have the proper tools, but we got the subwoofer installed too. So I'll give you a little bit of a demo, but you know, no copyright music, so it's not the best. So I think that's gonna conclude the video for today. I'm a bit messy, I know. But thank you guys for watching, and see you guys next time.